going on, everybody? Dean here with RC Driver. Hope you're all having a great day. So back in 2019, Losi released the Mini T 2.0, and it completely jump-started the Mini revival. They followed that up in 2021 with the Mini B, further exciting the masses who love mini cars. Since then, there has been no shortage of aftermarket parts, whether it be bodies, tires, and wheels, and anything you else can think of to get these cars and trucks going on the track or for bashing. To revitalize this platform, though, I was looking to do something a little bit differently, and I was talking to Tony at Hobbytown Cincinnati. He mentioned that they had a really good following of short course conversions for the Micro T rather, and the Mini B. I was like, this sounds like a great idea. I made a couple quick phone calls, got some bodies from Jason at Raw Speed, and here we go. Jumping right in, I picked up the Raw Speed Interceptor Losi Mini B SCT body. To get it mounted on the Mini B platform, I grabbed a set of body mounts designed for the Losi Mini Drag. Part number LOS 211033. This set comes with two rear mounts. One set to mount the shocks to the rear of the tower and the rear of the arms, and the other set to mount it to the front of the tower and the front of the arms. Talking to Tony from Hobbytown, he suggested the rear arm and tower configuration. While Tony also suggested picking up the RPM wide front bumper for the Mini T 2.0 and Mini B, Jeff got busy and quickly designed a sweet front bumper and printed it out of TPU. Not to be outdone, Bart created and printed awesome Nerf bars that mount perfectly to the side of each chassis. I wanted to get some sort of rear bumper and found a cool wheelie bar file on Thingiverse that will serve the purpose, for now at least, until we can come up with something more suitable. Now onto the Losi Micro SCT. This is really straightforward. It mounts to the rear hinge just like the Micro T body does and attaches to the front with a piece of Velcro, again, just like the Micro T. I am a little suspect of the overall design though. It's kind of boxy. I wish they had done this using the Micro B platform because the chassis is a little bit longer, and just told people to pick up the body mounts for the Micro T. We're going to take all of these short course trucks to RC Madness for a club racing night and just see how they perform.
Seconds left.
Takes it down, 7. Nice.
17 left, 503 flat is all. 10 minutes left. Flat runners on this before member. Micro SCT, with 15 left, 520.6 minutes. 45 seconds left. Seconds left. Seconds left.
All right, everybody, we just ran the Mini SCT and Micro SCT Club Racing Night here at RC Madness. We've got Bart, Midlife, Jeff from 413RC. We had a whole lot of fun. Let's start with the Micro first. While it was fun, it definitely did not perform well on the big track. We did bring it on the back track with no jumps, and it was good fun, but I am going to stick with what I said earlier. The proportions of the body just seem a little bit off. Again, still good fun, but I would have liked to see this body maybe a little longer and put on the Micro B chassis instead of the Micro T chassis. Going over to the Mini SCT on the Mini B chassis. Holy cow, this is fun. This is amazing. I don't think the four of us stopped smiling the whole time. Jeff cleaned our clocks every time out, but that's okay. We came, we tried some different tire setups and whatnot. I found the tires from the brushless Mini B worked best, and the ribbed tires from the brushless Mini T worked best.
I have the mod Mini B or Mini T 2.0 tires on the back and the ribs on the front.
Yep. So again, we're all running a slightly different setup, but these were absolutely super fun. We really didn't change any shock oil or springs from what we usually run on the buggy. So again, just a little bit of tire tuning. And again, we had everyone watching with just the four of them out there. So if you're looking to do something a little bit different with your Mini B or your Micro T, definitely give this a look. I'm going to give this an absolute 2 thumbs up, 5 stars. I think the guys would agree. So
thumbs up. Absolutely.
All right, so I want to thank you for watching the video today. Give us a comment below. You think you're going to do this? What would you have done with yours? And thanks so much. Bye now.